We would love to explain to you how this thing works, first of all, probably to give you a better picture. So essentially what we do is to capture air pollution. So anywhere there are, vehicles, automobiles, exhausts, you can attach this contraption to the behind of tailpipe, and whatever is getting out in the environment, we capture before it gets there. And then when this is captured at scale, we get what we call is like raw soot, a lot of carbon. And then we take it back to a unit, back to a facility, the lab, all that air pollution, and then it goes through a scientific process of purification to make inks out of it.
What percentage of carbon are you refining using it?
Efficiency?
Yes.
We're capturing up to 85 to 95% of particulate matter emissions that are happening through the exhaust systems.
Can you just tell us as to how did you come up with this idea? What's driving you? What's the motivation behind this?
3 years of research. I started back at Massachusetts, MIT. I was a student there.
Congratulations.
And that research actually got picked up. There was a lot of, the moment we launched it was a side project. There was a lot of traction that we got. And over the last 3 years, we have perfected the art of capturing pollution using such a small, tiny form factor. There's no other company in the world right now that has a solution for capturing pollution before it enters the environment.
How do you generate ink? So if I'm an individual car driver and I buy this instrument
Correct.
and put it on my car,
Correct.
do I
Right
need to
now, we
have
are
a
not
lab?
looking in terms of sell it B2C. We are looking at a broader perspective of doing it at a city level or a state level, where these units are attached to your public transportation systems or your dumper trucks, where the major pollution is happening.
Then how does it work? Let's say State Transport Corporation takes this from you and they have fitted with all the buses. Then what happens? Who collects this soot? Who converts it into ink?
To give you a simple example, let's say there is a bus that runs on, let's say, diesel. It needs refueling at least once a day. The units that we are fabricating are good for at least 15 days of pollution. So after every 15 days, these buses are anyways going at the end of the day to a terminal. So our team will clean these units, take the soot out and put the unit back. Once that is done, that carbon will go back to our factory. We will purify it and convert it into inks.
Just tell me something. Will the automobile manufacturers buy this from you? Can we do a deal with, let's say, Maruti? Volkswagen had this global problem of pollution.
That's exactly what we're
Can you do a deal with a Volkswagen?
We are discussing those things. We have not finalized anything.
No, but
at the end of the day, it
attractive.
can become an OEM product.
I think you guys are doing a good job as far as society is concerned. But what's the economic model behind it?
One, ink cell. Inks are a commodity that is being used worldwide by practically everyone. Second aspect is that we capture pollution, and we basically prevent the pollution to get into the air.
Essentially, this is a form of technology right now that we are licensing out internationally to our clients.
So in the prototype stage, what's the cost, and scale up, what's the cost?
See, prototyping cost is really very expensive, no doubt about that.
Give me the figure.
At the end of the day, when it comes to market pricing of it, it will be coming down to maybe a 2,500 rupee a unit for a...
Yeah, okay. How much ink do you generate in a day? On an average, if I say I run my car 3 hours a day.
This pen is your ETOS, the taxi that you take spoke inside, and you can quantify it in a way. This is 1.5 hours of ETOS emissions in a city like Bangalore.
Guys, let's not talk about ink. I just want to know the ink ml. I'll do the calculation on the basis of ml. What are you generating and how much I'll be able to sell at?
45 and 50 minutes of your diesel car pollution would make 30 mls of ink.
30 ml of
30
it.
ml.
Perfect. I was looking for that answer. Thanks.
Yes.
Can you give us details of the company, revenues?
Yeah.
What money, how much money are you looking for?
We have already clocked in about $500,000. We started in month of May, and by end of March we will be somewhere around $3.5–4 million in the licensing fees. And
Who are you licensing the technology to? Where is this $500,000 coming from?
Industry.
Can you give an example of what you mean by
we are
industry?
companies mean, for example, the people who are running the factories.
They
want to put this technology on their chimneys.
Are you making money on your $500,000 today?
As such, yes.
We're cash
So-
positive, yeah.
Cash positive.
So what is the money you are asking us to bring to the table?
2 CR at about 2–2.5% of equity. Who can actually
Hang on. You're valuing your company at 100 crores.
Absolutely.
Let's be real. You want us to put money at 100 crore valuation.
This business is too complicated, it's got too much of a government angle and it's too related to CSR. I'm going to pass this opportunity.
I agree with Devansh. Even I'll pass.
I passed on 10 minutes back.
Guys, I have one last question before I'm going to decide to make an offer or not. How are you protecting your technology being copied? That's it.
Okay, so this
Because
is
the valuation which you're talking about
absolutely.
comes only if you protect it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I am not going to give you that valuation at
So
all.
we have PCT patents on this. PCT being like patents in 140 countries on this technology of capture. And
I'm just talking about India. Is there a patent in India?
including India. But trust me, we have to protect it internationally because technology market generally lies in the West. So it's international patents.
So what you're saying is no one else in the world, in 140 countries, can make this device.
Right now, nobody can.
Nobody can.
So
No, what do you mean by right now?
Now I'll not comment on my neighbors like China. so see, there's something called black boxing technology. We do that. Like we've been in this business for a while, and so it's black boxed in a way that no one can copy it till they spend 6 months on it and so on.
Let me just make an offer to you. I'm going to offer you 1% at 80 lakhs. For this country, India, I'm going to manage the complete show for you. I'm going to go to the government. I'm going to do the deal. I'm going to decide what selling price will be, whether it's going to be 2,500, 500, 5,000, whatever. I'm going to decide that. And I'm going to take 7% of whatever I sell.
I think that we can look into. We just have to work out the number. Maybe 5 from our side.
So I think 7 is the number which will excite me to go take out my time. P2G, guys, believe you me.
I know.
You know what?
Really appreciate.
You could be whosoever, but the minister sitting there, the bureaucrat sitting there, he's going to take 3 hours of your time, and in the end, you'll not get anything out of that meeting. So 7% is something which I'm not gonna negotiate, and 1% equity, which I just want to take as a token of the equity because I just want to be the part of it.
And you're gonna go around town selling it for 7%.
7% is fine. I mean, I really think it's a huge thing.
Bye-bye.
The route that I see in this is going to be sort of CSR. So we run an advertising network. About 2,000 crores is spent or more. We control 40% of advertising on outdoor in the country. I feel that ink is the biggest production cost.
Yeah.
So ideally what I would like to do is, I would like to offer you 25 lakhs for 1%. I think the value that I create for you in terms of sales is where the value is. Because if my 1% becomes from 100 to 500, your 99% is what it grows. So the 25 lakhs, I'm just showing you a commitment that yes, I'm willing to put in some money. And I like Mohit's offer of royalty. I would also like a royalty of 7% that I get.
If you have ink, selling is no problem. Problem is producing ink. That is your victory. That's what I can solve. It's talking about just selling the ink, which is I don't think is a difficult thing.
Selling ink at 20 times the price, because now you're using that as a CSR, is where the value is. If you sell it at market rate, then there's no way you can compete. It has to be sold as a CSR initiative for the corporates, for the ink to be sold.
Nobody's going to buy 20 times for CSR. I really don't think so.
Do you
Are you
think
serious?
guys are going to buy for CSR?
20 times.
They want the cheapest thing on the earth.
Absolutely. They're buying in bulk.
They don't care.
But I find the valuation really out of odds. I mean, you're $500,000 now. You're expecting to be 3 million at the end of the year. But from any stretch, that's 8 to 9 times, 7 to 8 times sales.
You need to price in the value of the technology, and you have to see that there is an add-on revenue to it. Unlike most of the places where you have losses to fund. Coming to Mohit,
You have
let's
two
say,
offers on the table.
Yeah, so let's say, talking about your offer, we will say 1% at 95 with 6% royalty.
So I am going to stick to my offer.
Entrepreneur, you also have an option to consult with the Vault's in-house business experts. Do you want to take this option?
I think we'll just close it right here. Okay, so Mohit, we take your offer.
Great,
All right.
superb.
Thank you. So we are looking at people who have experience in the business in India,
And I think we got a really good person in Mohit to do that for us. And your expectation was similar to what we got, to get somebody to invest as well as stand with us in our early stages of our business to support us. And I think we are happy with that.
Rahul, it's not that bad, believe me.
No, I
10
love
minutes,
it.
right?
I have a
crazy.
bigger problem to solve.
You know what? The only problem they have is they don't have the revenue model. And that's why they need us. I mean, if they had everything, why would they need us?
But more than pollution, population. Solve that first.
It's correlated.
Sorry.
You got
Because of population, there's pollution.
You've already solved it, you just have one son.
Okay. I had solved that long back. Population.